Hello friends, in the last session we have seen how to find out the log of any value using log table. Now in the today's session we will go exactly reverse of that and we will find how to find the antilog of any value in the log table. Before starting that, in the last session what we have seen, we will just go for the basics so you will understood betterly what the log and antilog exactly is. In the last session we say log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1 and log 100, or I can say in a different language, log 10 to the power 2 is equal to 2. Now if I want to find out the antilog, just check it. If I say find out the antilog of this, I will say antilog and log of 10 is equal to antilog of 1. So what I will get here, dear friends, antilog and log will get cancelled and I will get antilog of 1 is equal to 10. Antilog of 1 is equal to 10. That means you can say the here the power of 10 is equal to the antilog of 1. Same thing if I say similarly for the second case, let we consider this also. That is log 10 to the power 2 is equal to the 2. So if I find out the antilog, what will happen? Antilog and log will get cancelled. So it is a 10 to the power 2 is equal to antilog of 2. So you can again observe antilog of 2 is equal to the 10 to the power 2. So what this basic actually suggests? It basic suggests, suppose I want to find out the antilog of, let I say, 3.412. It indicates what? It is the 10 to the power 3.412. Now how to evaluate this? So here I am finding out the antilog of 3.412 and I know that antilog of 3.412 should be 10 raised to 3.412. I can write this in a one more different way, 10 raised to 3 plus 10 raised to 0.412. What it indicates, the answer should be 10 raised to 3. That means it is 1000 plus something, but whenever I say it is 10 raised to 0.412, that means the answer should be greater than 1, but it should be less than 10. And we are finding out that value exactly by using the antilog. One more thing is that the log and antilog are reverse of each other. As we have seen in the last session, we have find out the log of 3.412 and we obtain it as 0.5331. So log of 0.3412 was 0.5331. That means if I find out the antilog of 0.5331, I should have to get 3.412. Just we will start how to find it out. Just observe carefully. Again, we will separate it into the two parts after the decimal. I will thinking only about the digits after the decimal. So first two digits are 53, thereafter 3, and last one is 1. So I will find the value of 0.53. Here I am finding out the 0.53 because the decimal is there. So here you can observe in antilog table, this is the 0.353. In 0.53, the value of 3 is 3412 and here 1 is 1. So it is 3412 plus 1. So it is a 3413. So you can observe that there is approximation. And one more thing, as whenever I am finding out the characteristic, I have subtracted 1. Now I will add it 1 to this. So to this 0, I will add 1. So always keep in mind, before the decimal, whatever is the number, I will add 1 to that. So 0 plus 1, it becomes 1. 0 plus 1, it becomes 1. I write the answer as it is 0.3413 into 10 raised to that power, that is 1. So what I am getting here is 0.3413 into 10 to the power 1, that is nothing but 3.413. Similar to this, we will go for the one more. We have seen the log of 341. Log of 341 we have obtained is as 2.5328. So if I find out the antilog of this 2.5328, I should have to get 341. Again the same thing. In this case, the first parameter is I should have to find the antilog after the decimal points. So where I will find it in 53, thereafter 2, and in 8. So where is the 0.53 here? This 0.53, where is 2? It is a 3404. So I will write here 3404, and thereafter in 8 I will continue this line and I will obtain here in 8 it is 6. So in this case, if it is a 6, I will add 6 to this, so it will become 3410. So it is a, before that definitely there is a decimal, so it is a 0.3410. As I already said, before the decimal what the number is, add 1 to it, so it is becomes 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So multiply it by 10 to the power 3. So what I will get, this is the answer, but if I come just shift the points, what I will get is 341. So the both the things you are observing here, the log of 341 is 2.5328, whereas antilog of this number, that is 2.5328, is 341. So you can clearly observe here the log and the antilog are the reverse functions of each other. Let us find the log of one more, that is we have find the log of 4, and that was obtained as 0.6021. Now we will obtain the antilog of this. Same, in the same manner, what I say, find out the antilog of 0.60 into, and thereafter it 1. So it is a 0.060 into, it is a 3,999, and in 1 it is a 1. So it is a 3999 plus 1. So what it becomes? It becomes 4000. But dear friends, there should be a decimal before this. So it is a zero point 0.4. So it is 0.400 into 10 to the power. What is the digit here? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So it is a 10 to the power 1. So what it will become? It will become 4.00, which indicates the answer is nothing but 4. So this is the method how we can obtain the antilogs of the positive value. But there is a one more thing. In number of cases we get negative values, and we should have to obtain the antilog for that also. So let us move to the finding out antilog of the negative values. Let I take one simple example. Here let we say it is a 2 minus 2.86. If it is a minus 2.86, the first thing you cannot find out the antilog of negative values. So I separate it just here. I will say it is a minus 2 and minus 0.86. Very easy thing. What you should have to do, subtract 1 and add 1. That means I have done nothing. But what I will get here, I will get 3 minus, and here I will get this part as a plus, that is 0.14. So whenever you are combining this is supposed to be the bar. So it is a 3 bar 3.14. Again the same thing, where I will observe the antilog 0.14 in 0.14 in 0. So here we will just find out value of 0.14. Where is 0.14 here? Here is the 0.14, and in 0 what it is? It is 0.1380. So I will write here first 0.1380. As I already said, it is bar 3. So what you should have to do, whenever you are writing it, add 1 to it. So if you add 1 to it, what it will become? It becomes minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So it is 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the antilog of bar 3.14, which I get it as 0.1380 into 10 raised to power minus 2. But what it is actually, this is the antilog of minus 2.86, which I could not find, so I change it to a different pattern. So we will take some more examples. Let us take one more example. Let we say it is a minus 4.575. As I just said, make the two different parts. So it is a minus 5 minus 0.575. Now subtract 1, add 1. So I am saying this is a minus 5, that is I am writing it as a bar 5, and this will become minus 0.75, and here it is a plus 1, so it will become 0.425. So dear friends, it becomes bar 5.425. Now whenever I am finding out, I will go for 42 in 5. So where is the value of 42? I will just see here 0.42 here, and here I will check for 5. So here I will get 2661. So it is a 0.2661 and 10 to the power minus 5. So here hence it is a 10 to the power minus 5. So the answer will become 0.2661 into 10 to the power minus 5. So here we just have to change it, add it plus 1 to it. So this will become 10 raised to minus 4. So this will one more. Let we take one more numerical for this. Let us take one more example. Let us say it is a minus 13.432. We want to find out the antilog of this. Again, we will make the two different part, minus 13 and minus 4.432. Subtract 1, add 1, so it will become 14 bar, and this will become 1 minus 0.432, that becomes 0.568. So if we combine both, this will become bar 14.568. Now we should have to find the value of 56. Just will find out the value of 0.56 here, and 8, so it will be 3698. So the value is 0.3698 into 10 to the power, as we have already discussed. We have subtracted in during the log, so we will add 1 to it, so it will become 10 to the power minus 13, and therefore the antilog of this term is 0.3698 into 10 raised to minus 13. Dear friends, now we have seen the log as well as the antilog. Here we have seen the antilog of the positive values as well as the negative values. In the next session, we will find how to find out the log as well as antilog without using the log table.